Yes, good morning.
कैसे क्लास कर रहा था यार?
Those who have joined, kindly comment there. Yes, good morning. So today in the class we will be completing exercise. Yes, good morning. We will be completing exercise 2A today, okay? Then tomorrow we will be starting exercise 2B. So let's see question number 4. Find the missing numerator. Okay, in question number 4 you have to find the missing numerator. The question is 2. I don't know the numerator, so there is a blank plus 4 5 by 12 is equal to 7 6 7 by 12. Is it clear, everyone? Did you get the question? I need to know what will be there in the blank space. Okay, so for me this number is unknown. Moi A2 number to নাজানো কি আছে, but this number is fixed and this is fixed, so I can take this number to the other side and the unknown one will be on one side and the known numbers will be on the other side. Okay, so 2 dash by 6 is equal to 6 7 by 12 minus 4 5 by 12. Here now these two are improper fraction. I cannot make it improper fraction as this number is unknown. Now 6 into 12 is 72. 72 plus 7 is 79 by 12. 6, 12 4 times 48. 48 plus 5 is 53. Okay, 6 4 times 4 6 4 12 times 48 and plus 5 will be 53. 53 by 12. Now these two numbers will be subtracted. Okay, so 12 here it will be 79 minus 53. Since the numerator denominator are same, so we can do it directly. All of you can see the board properly on your screen. Can you see the board properly on your screen? 9 minus 6 is 9 minus 3 is 6, and this 7 minus 5 is 2. So I got in the table of 2 6 times, in the table of 2 3 times. So it will be 2 dash by 6 is equal to 13 by 6. So now if I convert 13 by 6 into mixed fraction, 2 times 12 remains 1. So 2, the remainder will be the numerator, and denominator is always the same. So now you can see these two numbers are equal. So for this two numbers equal, the numerator should be what? 1. The blank space should be filled with 1 to make the both the left hand side and the right hand side equal. Clear? So therefore I can write the missing numerator is equal to 1. Answer is option number C. Those who are going through the video, tell your friends once the school starts and your classes resumes, I won't be repeating this content again. Okay, I can see only 4 students have joined the class, and out of 35 students were there. Okay, only 4 are a bit sincere, so they have woke up early in the morning and have joined the class. Others are sleeping, or might be I don't know what they are doing. Is it clear, everyone? Let's see next. Question number 5 is important. Try to read it properly. Okay, I'm explaining you. Mohit needs to work 45 hours per week. So, per week, Mohit needs to work 45 hours. He has worked, he has worked 38 7 by 9 hours so far this week. How many hours does he need to work on Friday to meet the 45 hours requirement? Did you get the question, everyone? Question কি কৈছে মোহিতক এক সপ্তাহ 45 ঘন্টা কাম কৰিব লাগিব. Okay, Mohit has to work 45 hours per week, but this week he কিমান ঘন্টা কাম কৰিলে 38 7 by 9 hours already কাম কৰিলে. এতিয়া remaining কিমান hours তাক কাম কৰিব লাগিব so that তাৰ 45 hours of requirement to fulfill হৈ যাব. Clear, everyone? So what we need to do, from the 45 hours, from the total hours, that is 45 hours, the number of hours he has worked should be subtracted. Okay, so let's do it. I think the question is clear to all of you. So we'll be writing total number of hours he need to work is 45 hours. Number of hours he has worked. So till now he has worked 38 7 by 9 hours. How many hours does he need to work on Friday? So number of hours he need to work on Friday is equal to, yes, Hiro, good morning. You are very late, okay? 45 minus 38 by 9 hours. So you can see 45 has denominator 1. 45 or denominator 1 asset. And here the denominator is 9. I have to make it into improper fraction. So 38 into 9 koribo lagibo muk. 9 8 times 72 carry 7. 9 3 times 27. 27 and 7 34. Or plus 7 koribo lagibo. So I will get 349. So numerator will be 349. Itya, can I subtract it directly from 45? Can I subtract 349 by 9 directly? No, since the denominator are two different. So 1 can be made into 9 by multiplying 9 with the denominator. So to give the balance, I have to multiply with the numerator also. Okay. So 9 into 5 is 45. Carry 4. 9 4 times 36. 36 and 4 40. 40 by 9 minus 349 by 9. So now here it will be 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. Here it became 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So it is 56 by 9. To convert into mixed fraction, so you can see in the table of 9, 9 6 times 54 remains 2. Denominator never changes. So if it is 9, it will be 9 fixed. Quotient will be the whole part and remainder becomes the numerator. So which option has this answer? Option number B. So your answer is option number B, 6 2 by 9 hours. Is it clear, everyone? Yes, may I know your name, Adi? Okay, Payal. Okay, let's see the next question then. Okay, Shankha. So let's see the next question. Find x. This is also very important, okay? See it properly. Find x if 9 minus 5 by 5 7 by 8 is equal to x minus, if 9 minus 5 7 by 8 is equal to x minus 1 by 8. So we are given 9 minus 5 7 by 9 7 by 8 is equal to x minus 1 by 8. The question wants you to find x. So to find x, all the numbers will be taken on one side and x will be left alone on one side. Okay. So here 9 minus 5 8 times 40, 40 plus 7 is 47. From improper mix we have converted into improper. minus 1 by 8 when taken this side will be added and it will be plus 1 by 8 is equal to x. Clear everyone? So now here denominator is 1. Okay. 9 has no denominator, that means 9 has denominator 1 into 8 minus 7 by 8, 47 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is equal to x. Any doubt till here? 9 into 8 is 72. 72 by 8 plus 1 by 8. I took the numbers which will you added. Here this has positive plus sign since nothing is there, and 1 by 8 is positive. So I wrote all the two positive numbers together. Okay, and minus 47 by 8 negative was so last one is equal to x. So now LCM will be 8. So 72 plus 1 minus 47 is equal to, so here it will be 73 minus 47 by 8 is equal to x. Is it clear? So now 3 minus 7 is not possible. 13 minus 7 is 6 and here it became 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 26 by 8. So now it will be 2 4 times 2 13 times. So which implies x is equal to 13 by 4, which implies x is equal to 3 1 by 4. You have to convert it into mixed fraction. 4 3 times 12 minus 1. So remainder will become the numerator, quotient will become the whole part, and denominator never changes. So denominator will be the denominator. Is it clear everyone? Any doubt? Okay. So now we will discuss the topic multiplication and then how to multiply two fractions. Okay, multiplication and division of fractions. The topic is so multiplication. Suppose I consider a fraction 5 by 7 and I have multiplied it with 35 by 45. Okay, this example I have taken, I am multiplying a fraction that is 5 by 7 into another fraction that is 35 by 45. এই দুটা fraction আমি multiply করি আছো. Okay, so to multiply these two fractions, you have to remember যেতিয়া তোমালোকে multiply করিবা 5 will be multiplied with 35, numerator will be multiplied with the numerator, and denominator will be multiplied with the denominator. This is the first thing you have to remember. Then one more thing, if you can reduce something, যদি তোমালোকে cancel কৰি পেলাই অলপ number to সৰু বনাই লব পাৰা, then you have to do that also. Okay, if you can reduce the number, the parts of the terms of the fraction, sorry, the numerator or the denominator of the fraction, you have to do that. Okay, so numerator और denominator है cancel होबो. Yes, Mrinalini, don't worry about writing it. Okay, I will be sending you the PDF as always in the group. Okay, লিখিব তোমালোকে টেনশন নলবা, just video to চাই পেলাই বুজি থাকা. Okay, because looking at the video and writing at the same time will be difficult for you all. So video to চাই থাকা, notes বিলাক তোমালোকে গ্ৰুপত পাই যাবা as PDF. তেতিয়া তোমালোকে ঘৰত বহি ভালকে লিখি লবা. Okay. So what I was saying, যেতিয়া তোমালোকে reduce কৰিবা, numerator কেতিয়াও numerator লগত reduce নহয় আৰু denominator কেতিয়াও denominator লগত reduce নহয়, and you can do any other thing. এই numerator টো এইটো denominator লগত cancel হ'ব পাৰে, এই numerator টো এইটো denominator লগত cancel হ'ব পাৰে, এইটো denominator এইটো numerator লগত cancel হ'ব পাৰে. This numerator can be reduced with this denominator also. Just you have to remember numerator and numerator won't be reduced and denominator won't be reduced. You cannot reduce like this. A2 আৰু A2 cancel নহয় আৰু A2 আৰু A2 cancel নহয়. Just a minute, okay? So is it clear? You cannot. So now when I will cancel this, I cannot cancel this 5 and 35 since both are numerator, but I can cancel this 5 and 7 if it is possible. But here this is not possible. 5 and 45, 5 one times, 5 9 times, 7 one time, 7 5 times. So 1 into 5 I got. 1 into 5 is 5 and 1 into 9 is 9. So answer is 5 by 9. Okay. So in this way you have to do the multiplication of fraction. Is the board very clear to all of you? Okay. Then how division of fraction? We will see division of fraction. Then we will see operation of, and then a reciprocal of a fraction. Okay. And then we will move to exercise. Within this week, we will complete exercise 2B whole, and we will try to start exercise 2C also. Now the topic is division of fraction. So we have a fraction 5 by 7 divided by 25 by 35. So you have to remember two fractions cannot be divided directly. Okay, তোমালোকে কেতিয়াও দুটা fraction directly divide করিব নোৱাৰিবা. Okay, this is impossible. So for division, what you need to do, a division to কেতিয়াও possible নহয়. Instead of division, you have to make the division sign into multiplication. Okay, because you have to get the decimal value of this and you have to get the decimal value of this. Then after getting the decimal, you have to make divide it. Okay, that will be a lengthy one. So instead of dividing, we go with multiplication. যেতিয়া তোমালোকে division sign to multiply দি দিবা, বনাই লবা, নিজেই বনাইবা. So what you have to do, you have to reciprocate it. Division or পিছত যোনটো number আছে, যোনটো fraction আছে, সেইটো তোমালোকে reciprocate কৰিবা. Reciprocate কৰা মানে numerator to denominator হৈ যাব আৰু denominator to numerator হৈ যাব. যেনে কি ইয়াত এইটো denominator আসলে কিন্তু 35 এতিয়া কি হৈ গল numerator 25 numerator আসলে কিন্তু 25 কি হৈ গল এতিয়া denominator. This is called reciprocating the fraction, interchanging the denominator and the numerator. Numerator will become the denominator and denominator will become the numerator if in case you are reciprocating the fraction. Is it clear everyone? So now I told you how to multiply just before two fractions. Now 5 table of 25 5 times ahead, 7 table of 7 5 times 35. 5 one time, 5 one time. So I got 1 into 1 is 1 and in the denominator 1 into 1 is 1. So overall I got it as the answer as 1. Is it clear everyone? Hirok, are you there? Okay. Hirok, are you there? So in case of division of two fractions, we cannot divide them directly. So instead of dividing, you have to make the division sign as multiplication, and multiplication of this juntu fraction thaki boito ulta hoye jabo. Okay, just like 25 by 35 asile ya 35 by 25 hoye gol. Now I did multiplication and got my answer as 1. Clear now, Mrinalini? Okay, our next topic is operating of. So here you will be seeing many a times 5 by 9 of 2 by 3. So how to operate that? Okay, Lupa Mudra. So of works like multiplying only. This of works like multiplication. Okay, this you need to remember. So suppose 5 by 9 of 3 by 15. So here you can see there is a word written off between these two numbers. So you may be confused what to do. So jetia off thakiba tumaloge ki koriba multiplication koriba. So 5 by 9 into 3 by 15. So now you know how to multiply. I told you before only. Cancel over 5 1 times 5, 5 3 times 15, 3 1 times, 3 1 times. So thakile ki uparat 1 into 1 is 1, 9 into 1 is 9. So I got 1 by 9. So this is how off works. Okay, off or operation আমি কেনেকে কৰো হেতু. Is it clear everyone? Now we will see 2 points. The value of the product of two proper fractions is always less than each of the two fractions. Suppose I have a fraction, example 2 by 5, and I'm multiplying 1 by 3. Okay, I took the example from the book only. So there is a fraction 2 by 5 and it is multiplied with 1 by 3. So 2 by 5 is a proper fraction and 1 by 3 is again a proper fraction. এই দুটা proper fraction হয়. Okay, যেতিয়া তোমালোকে multiply কৰিবা কিবা cancel হ'ব, 2 আৰু 5 reduce নহয়, 2 আৰু 3 reduce নহয়, 1 আৰু 3 নহয়, 1 আৰু 5 নহয়, so you have to multiply it directly. 2 into 1 is 2 and 5 into 3 is 15. Now statement to কি কৈছে তোমালোকক, the value of the product of value কি আহিলে 2 by 15 when you multi of two proper fractions যেতিয়া তোমালোকে দুটা fractionক multiply কৰিবা product যোনটো পাবা হেতু সদায় কি হ'ব smaller than each of the two fraction এইটো যোনটো product আহিছে 2 by 5 ৰ পৰাও সৰু হয় আৰু 1 by 3 পৰাও সৰু হয়. Understood everyone what the statement is saying you? When you will multiply two proper fraction you will get a product and that product will be less than the two fractions which are multiplied. Clear? This is, let us see how. তোমালোকে product to কি পালা 2 by 15 পালা no? So here denominator কি আছে 15. To make the denominator 15 I have to multiply 3 and multiply 3. So I got it as 6 by 15 which is greater than 2 by 15. ডাঙৰ আহিলে 2 by 15 ৰ পৰা. And again one more fraction was 1 by 3. Here denominator কি আছে 15. To make it 15 I have to multiply 5 and 5. So I got 5 by 15 which is greater than 2 by 15. So সালা তোমালোকে 2 by 15 ৰ পৰা প্ৰথম নম্বৰটো ডাঙৰ আৰু second নম্বৰটো ডাঙৰ. Is it clear everyone? We got the product and each of the two fractions which are multiplied is greater than the product. Next will be the value of the product of two improper fraction is always greater. যদি proper fraction ৰ কাৰণে less than আহে obviously improper ৰ কাৰণে উল্টা হ'ব, so it will be greater than the each of the two fractions. Lopamudra, is it clear to you? Hirok? So let's see then reciprocal of a fraction. When a fraction is written by inverting its numerator and denominator. It is called the reciprocal of the fraction. So যেতিয়া তোমালোকে এটা ফ্ৰেকশনৰ নিউমাৰেটৰ আৰু ডিনমিনেটৰ ইনভাৰ্ট কৰি পেলাই লিখিবা, উল্টা কৰি পেলাই লিখি দিবা, তেতিয়া তোমালোকে কি পাবা? ৰেচিপ্ৰকেল অফ দ্য ফ্ৰেকশন। এক্সাম্পল যেনেকে 5/9 এটা ফ্ৰেকশন আছে, ইয়াৰ ৰেচিপ্ৰকেল কি হ'ব? 9/5 numerator denominator to numerator হৈ গ'ল, numerator to denominator হৈ গ'ল। So remember, reciprocal এটা ফ্র্যাকশনৰ reciprocal কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? Multiplicative inverse. Okay, reciprocal of a fraction is called as multiplicative inverse. Then no, 0 don't have its reciprocal. 0 won't have its reciprocal because 0, if we have 0, 0 may have denominator 1, may have 2, may have 3, but if I will reciprocate, it will become 1/0, 2/0, 3/0। डिनोमिनेटर तो कभी भी 0 नहीं होगा, इसीलिए these are impossible. So 0 has no reciprocal. Okay, this will be given in your notes. Is it clear, Payal? Then one more thing we need to remember. The product of a fraction, the product of a fraction and its reciprocal. The product of a fraction and its reciprocal is always equal to 1. For example, I took a fraction 9/17. 9/17 or reciprocal ki hoga 17/9, is it or not? And if I multiply both, I will get 17 one time 17, 17 one time 17, 9 one time, 9 one time, and I got the product as 1. So you have to remember, Raktim, you are very late it seems. Okay, you have joined the class just now, I feel. So the product of a fraction and its reciprocal is always equal to 1. Okay, then we will see how to work with the brackets. So first You will do the work of bar. It is called bar. Just one more name is there. Vinculum. You don't have to remember that, okay? Because it will be critical for you. So just remember it is bar. So if you see the bar above any number, you have to walk that first. Second will be this one. Usually in our to for your understanding, we many a times we use small bracket, but its real name is parenthesis. Okay, parenthesis. Then third comes this kind of bracket which is called curly bracket, and fourth comes this bracket which is called square bracket. Clear? So first we will be doing the work of bar. If there is no bar and there is a this bracket, small bracket which is called parenthesis. So secondly we will be doing the work of parenthesis, then curly bracket, then square bracket. Okay. So let's see exercise 2b's number 1's number 8 and number 7 and 8, and number 2's number 3. Then we will end the class. Okay. The rest all you will try by yourself at home. Okay. Now it's your duty to see the videos properly. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Since we are all suffering and we cannot meet physically in the classrooms. So it's your duty to be very sincere with your works and studies. Already last year you all hampered. So next year maths will be very big doubt for you if you don't work properly this year. So let's see exercise number 1, number 7. 3 1 by 2 into 14 1 by 2. Okay, now both are mixed fraction. We have to make an improper. 3 into 1 is 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2 into 7 2 times 14. 14 plus 1 is, sorry, 2 into 14 is 28. 28 plus 1 is 29 by 2. Can we cancel this 7 and 2? No. This 7 and 2? No. This 2 and 29? No. This 2 and 29? No. So nothing will be cancelled. So what we have to do? 7 will be multiplied with 29 and 2 will be multiplied with 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 7 9 times 63. 6 remains 20 and 7 2 times 14. 14 and 2 6 is 20. So we have to make it into mixed fraction. So 4 5 times 20 and 4 0 times 0 50. 3 by 4 will be your answer. Clear everyone? In this way we have to multiply two fractions. Any doubt anyone? Let's see number 8. 6 1 by 7 into 5 5 by 6. 6 7 times 42. 42 plus 1 is 43. 43 by 7 into 6 5 times 30. 30 plus 5 is 35 by 6. Can we cancel anything? This 43 and 6 won't be cancelled. 43 and 7 won't be cancelled. 7 and 5, 35 can be cancelled. 7 1 times, 7 5 times. Then anything else? No. So 43 into 5 and 1 into 6. 1 into 6 is 6. 5 3 times 15. 5 written, carry 1, 20 and 1 21. So now we have to divide 215 by 6. 3 times 18 remains 3. 3 5 35. 6 5 times 30 remains 5. So quotient will be the whole part. Denominator will never change. So if the denominator was 6, now also it will be 6 and remainder becomes the numerator. Clear? Any doubt anyone? You can comment there if you have any doubt. Okay. So this was all about question number 1. Question number 2 is again the same, but the thing is we have 3 fractions given there. Okay. So let us see how to multiply 3 fractions together. Nine 2 by 3 into 1 by 29 into 6 by 15 into 7 1 by 5. 9 3 times 27. 27 plus 2 is 29. 29 by 3. 29 into 1 is 29 plus 1 is 30 by 29. When you will be multiplying the fractions, okay, try to write the fractions little far away with proper distance between them, so your cancel after cancelling the fraction it won't look clumsy. Okay, it is very neat and clean. 6 7 5 times 35 and 1 36 by 5. So now you can see 29 1 times, 29 1 times. Okay, 15 1 times, 15 15 2 times. Okay, then 3 1 times 3 3 2 times 6. Now this 5 won't reduce any of the fractions above. Okay, so it will be 2 into 2 into 36 and below we have 1 into 1 into 1 into 5 as 5. So it will be 144 by 5. How did I do? 2 into 2 is 4, 36 into 4, 24 carry 2, 12 and 4, 14. Okay, so after making it into mixed fraction, 2 times 10 remains 4 and 4, 8 times 40 remains 4, so it will be 28, 4 by 5. Okay, so the remaining questions you will be trying by yourself. Tomorrow we will be starting with question number 3 and we'll try to complete maximum as far as so far it is possible for us. Okay, I hope you all understood everything whatever I have taught you today. Okay, thank you for today. See you tomorrow. Good day. Thank you.